Content is not what you just create and just upload it to whichever social media platforms you like. So you need to know which particular platform best, fit the kind of content that you create. So right now, we are going to be creating two different buckets. The first bucket is going to house just one platform, and that will be YouTube, right? So the next bucket right now is going to be housing other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Snapchat, just name it. So group them inside this particular bucket. So we're about to learn which kind of content should go here and which kind of content should go right in here on YouTube. This is where you have to understand the two types of contents that we have. So we have short and we have long format type of content. So for long form content, it is going to do well on YouTube, 100%. If you try the same exact thing on other platforms, like those platforms in this particular group right now, it is going to flop. You get it right now. So which means if you upload 2 hours videos on YouTube and you have 10,000 views, if you upload the same video on other social media platforms, you might end up not having even 1,000. So the reason for that is this: those platforms are not built for long form videos. So the only platform that is built for long form videos right now is YouTube. And on YouTube, it is actually quality over quantity. On other platforms like other social media platforms, it is quantity over quality. That doesn't mean you don't have to prioritize quality on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. That is not what I'm saying. So what I'm saying is this: it is more important for you to create quality videos, quality content on YouTube than other social media platforms. Let me tell you why. So I have this particular channel right in here. So what I do on this particular channel is teaching people how to use Excel and Power BI if you want to become a data analyst, to create reports and dashboard and actually help businesses to make decisions with their data. So majority of persons watching my videos, they watch either from their tablet. Let me not even use the word tablet. They watch either from their laptop or from TV. So I have more people watching from their laptop. How many of them are watching from mobile phone? Just few. You get it right now. If you are tutorial niche on YouTube, majority of persons that will be watching your videos will either be watching from tablet, laptop, or TV. So if your quality is low, they're going to actually bounce off immediately, because when the screen is wide and your quality is low, your videos will be blur, right? That is why you have to prioritize quality over quantity. Can you see why I said quality over quantity right now? But when we talk about other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, then it is quantity over quality, because people watch more from their mobile phone. It doesn't really matter how you shoot your video, it's going to be clear, because the resolution here is not that really going to be a problem. Do you see that right now? So, which means if you are creating content right now, you have to be smart to know which particular platform you should actually create your content for and the quality that is needed, because of where they're going to actually, view your videos right on. It's very important. Now, YouTube has Shorts. We call it YouTube Shorts. Let me tell you what you need to know about it. It has affected my big channel, and I don't want it to affect yours as well. If you know that you upload at least 5 times in a week, like 5 times short in a week, like 5 different shots in a week, then I think it is better you separate your short videos to a different channel than keeping it on the same channel. So now, it might not affect you if you actually meet up with more longer videos than the short. But the moment you actually upload more short videos than the long videos, then YouTube is going to shift their priority now to giving you more of short, viewers than the long ones. And short videos doesn't make you money. It makes money, but it's not comparable to how much you're going to make when you upload the long videos. It will only help you to grow faster, give you more views, but you don't make much money. So what you're going to do right now is for you to actually, take your short content to a different channel, even though if it has correlation with your main channel, your long form videos, then every single time you put call to action to every single video to link people back to the main channel. And with your link, people actually follow back. Because there is one thing you need to understand. I feel like the algorithm controlling the short content is different from the algorithm controlling the long content. So when you actually subscribe to a short field, then YouTube would not show you the long form videos of this particular person whenever he uploads. So for that, you have to be smart about it. For you not to kill your channel is very important. So now for your short content, Facebook page is there, Instagram is there, TikTok is there, let it go there. And if you must use YouTube to upload multiple shots every single time, every single day, then create a short channel is important. So I believe this particular video will definitely help someone. So we never had this particular information when we're coming up as a creator, but right now there are several informations out there that you can actually take from. So if this one helps you, please do share to others, and I believe it's going to help others as well. And subscribe for more videos just like this.